Hello everyone, welcome back. Today let's see how we can make Indian style white sauce pasta. Let's begin by seeing the ingredients. These are very simple and easily available Indian ingredients that we'll be using. Do pause the video and have a look on the ingredients. Let's start by boiling the pasta. In a pan, add water, to which add salt to taste and 3 teaspoons of oil. Now let the pasta boil till it is cooked 90%, 80 to 90%. Now strain out the water and let the pasta cool as it is. Now let's start preparing the sauce, for which in a pan add butter and let it melt on a very low heat. Now add garlic and roast it till it turns yellowish in color and has left all of the raw smell. After this, we'll add thinly sliced onion and saute it till it turns pinkish in color. After that, we'll add all-purpose flour and that you'll be adding in parts. Now keep on stirring it, else the flour will burn. I have used 2 cups of milk which I'll be adding in portions. Now continuously mix it. And our plain white sauce is ready, to which you can add herbs and salt as per your taste. I am adding chili flakes, oregano and salt, followed by basil leaves. After you've removed it from the flame, add cheese as per your taste. I have used normal Amul grated cheese. Add black pepper. You can always alter the spices. Now let's start preparing the veggies, for which in a pan add butter, now add garlic. If you don't eat garlic and onion, you can always skip it. And instead of that, you can also use cabbage if you wish to. Once the garlic is done, we'll be adding onions. Saute it for a half a minute or so. Now add carrots, capsicum. You can also use different colored peppers. Finally add sweet corn. Give it a good mix and let the veggies cook for not more than a minute. Cover the pan and keep on stirring the veggies in between. We'll not be cooking our veggies for too long, else it will leave the crunch. Our veggies are done. Now let's start preparing the pasta. Heat up the sauce, add veggies in it that we had prepared, and now add pasta. Now gently mix all of this together. Add cheese on the top, and our white sauce pasta is ready. Here's a tip: the sauce that we had prepared, you can always store this in refrigerator in a mason jar for minimum 15 days. If you like this video, do hit a like, leave back your comments in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Bye bye.